kitchen right here, okay? It's a nice kitchen here. You got the nice refrigerator. You got, you know, you got the nice seats right here, brown seats to match the style of the living room, because that's what we do. We want to stay uniform, right? Everything feels what? Warm. Okay, so then right here, you know, we got the place where we put our shoes. Then we got.
You are so fast.
There's nothing here.
Oh,
so,
okay. They didn't know where it came from.
Where it came
okay,
from.
continue.
Then we got. Oh, let's back it up before we even get there. We got the balcony area.
Oh, privacy. Okay.
Wraps around. You know, a lot of space. Plan to do a little something. It's football season. Get my boys over. Have some fun. Okay. Then we got the bedroom. This is where the magic happens. I had to put that in there. This, again, the color scheme gonna match the whole area, outside and inside the bedroom. Also, we have here the curtains that my lovely lady picked out with a nice and cozy area, lighting in the back. So as it gets darker, we still got a little light, little theatrical light, you know. Closet, walk in.
Walk in it then.
Walk in.
Okay.
Walk in closet. Plenty of space for all
You're
that
not walking
stuff.
in.
We're not.
I didn't know that they can walk in.
You can run in.
Oh, okay. So it's a run-in closet, shotgun
Run-in
closet.
Okay.
Okay.
Then we got the bathroom.
You making these
You know
people
what I'm saying?
dizzy. I ain't never seen a tour
okay.
so fast. No details.
Detail.
But don't worry, I'm gonna make everything in there.
Look, got the mouthwashes here. Big old mirror. All right. Simple. Yet gets the job done. We ain't spending all the time in there. Let's time to take a shower. Okay. So there you have it. It's our humble abode. I hope you appreciate the time we spent together with you and me and Bae filming. She gonna change it how she wants to, but hey, it's her show. Thank you. See you next time.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna do a walkthrough of the items that I purchased for the apartment because John went entirely too fast. I should have known better. He's a guy. He's not gonna know the details. So I'm just gonna go through and show you guys the items that I purchased, okay? So first things first, here's the walkway, the coat closet. When you come in the walkway, to your right is a table. The table I purchased from Amazon. I think it was maybe $100 or so. This round light I've had for a couple of years now. It's around $35. I got it from Target. This candle smells delicious. This is called Work From Home. I get most of these from TJ Maxx, but of course you can go online and purchase it. It's divine. I have two of them, one right here, one right here. But not to get ahead of ourselves, let's finish the table. I got this plant from Amazon. I'm gonna link everything in the description box below so you guys can find it. Well, the stuff that I purchased online, of course. This is from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx, I love like the rustic look, the kind of broken up. It's not quite brand new looking. Got this from TJ Maxx. Target last year. This came from what's that, Pop Shop? Pop-up shelf, Pop Shelf, yeah. Pop Shelf. This couch we got at a clearance mart. It's called Georgia Furniture Mart. I got this on clearance. It was like $5.99. Got this over from there. Let's see. So this table, this clear table I got from Home Goods. I've had this for about 3 years now and I love it. I just like that it's different. You don't normally see clear tables or just random tables right here as soon as you walk inside. So got this table from Home Goods. I got this big vase from TJ Maxx about a month ago. Another work from home candle. I just got something like a black aesthetic, like little book that I got from TJ Maxx as well back in Bama. This Bach bust came from a country place in like Blount County, Alabama. If y'all know, you know. This decoration is also from TJ Maxx. So my favorite part about this apartment, this decor that I picked out, was that it's not super manly, it's not super girly, it's very neutral tones. You don't know who lives here, honestly. It's like very hard to tell, you know, if it's a girl or a guy, but it's both of us, so that's what I really enjoy the most. These chairs are very, very low to the ground, but I enjoy it because it's different. It's really a conversational area where you can just have good conversation. It's really low, but it sits really well and it's really comfortable. Of course, it's a little difficult to get out if you know your knees aren't the best shape, but they're really, really comfortable, okay? Let's see, these little round pillows are from Home Goods back in Bama. This long pleather pillow is from Target, and of course you can see it does match the chairs. It also matches the bar stools over there. Let's see, this table and the rug are both from Amazon. I don't remember the price. I will link it, and I'm probably gonna make a store just so I can, you know, get a little commission, you know. Let's see, the table basket right here, Home Goods. I want to say it was like $50. This long buffet style TV stand is from Target. I think it was around $3 something. Yeah, $3. The basket is from either TJ Maxx or Home Goods. More than likely Home Goods, because I buy a lot of that type of stuff from Home Goods. Plant, of course, this is my little snake plant. Hasn't died on me yet. Got another lounge chair. This is this plant, y'all, if y'all remember, y'all watched our IKEA run. I got this plant from IKEA and it has been flourishing, y'all. I'm so happy. Her name is Plantasia, as John mentioned in the video earlier. This plant pot is from Lowe's. This light I love. I call it the Thomas Edison light, but it's super, super bright and it's warm already. It's like super warm. So I barely use it because I don't know. I like the look of it more than I do like to actually turn it on. These chairs are also from Amazon. I got them both together. Again, I don't remember the price. I will let you guys know. Again, I will be making a Amazon storefront for you guys to purchase everything. So coming around, got my little calendar there, ignore all that. And this side here is the washer dryer. Got our little stuff up here. Ignore the mess. We went to church today. We kind of rushing. And here is our pantry. So get the pantry. It is quite full of things. Got our lunch boxes that we pretty much use every week. Bunch of snacks. This is the fruit wash I always wash my fruit with. Get you some. It's from Target. No, Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's. Don't let me lie to y'all. Yeah, I got some water down there. Just a little storage that we haven't really quite used some stuff yet. So we're going to use those eventually. Over here, I got these items from Home Goods. I'm pretty sure they still have them there. They're pretty popular, pretty in demand, but it's important that you squeeze these down into the glass. Don't hurt yourself. Don't squeeze it too hard, but make sure you guys close it all the way so it doesn't become like super hard like it has done here. Ooh, y'all. I use onion powder all the time, so I'm not really worried about it going bad. But I put my oil, I put the vinegar in first on the inside, and I put the oil on the outside, of course, so you can see it. And this is the kitchen. We downsized our apartment because we really want to start saving for a house. It was, of course, nice living in a luxury apartment, but it wasn't all that. It's not what it's cracked up to be honest with you. We're not really missing anything.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me.
I was surprised that it was as absorbent as it is. This also came from Amazon. Everything will be linked. And this came, I just wanted something, some type of greenery, a little color in here. That came from, I want to say, ooh, don't let me lie to y'all. I want to say Target, TJ Maxx. And finally, the bedroom. I'm still waiting to find some like decor pieces, like paintings I can hang up on the wall. But until then, this is what we're working with, and I love it. It would just, of course, be nice to actually have some stuff hung. The light is not out or anything; it's just off. But here's the bed. I purchased this bed on Amazon. It has soft material right here. This is metal, so I really like it. It's like retro style, but still modern looking. I really like it. Hopefully we can keep it for a while. It was only like one something, I want to say. And let's see, the mirror right here. And I love these side tables. These side tables have that glass effect, that like rough ripple effect on the glass. It is, I love it. We put these together, of course. This light came from Home Goods. It's 2 of them, of course, so we got 2 of them from Home Goods. And I love the lights. It's like a classic look. We also added, the bed does not come like this. I added a light strip behind it. I like the effect of light strips, so I'm gonna purchase some more light strips whenever I remember to get some. So the bed, oh God, let's see. Home Goods, Home Goods. Both pillows, Home Goods. Sheets, silk pillowcases, Amazon. And this is my side of the bed. Got candle, Home Goods. And then of course the same type of course it's see-through, but I don't mind it. It's really not a bad look. And right here is the walk-in closet. Y'all saw John running it. It's fairly long, but it gets the job done. And we also have one of the dressers in here from Amazon. I'll show you this one. This is the one from Amazon's dresser. And it's gold hardware. It's pretty heavy, so it's really sturdy, so we know we're gonna have that for a long time. But yeah guys, that's the room, that's the apartment. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we look forward to shooting videos in here and all of that good stuff. So peace out.